Today I am reviewing the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is designed for people who want a powerful, hands-free cleaning solution that genuinely reduces daily chores. And after looking closely at its features and real-world usability, it's clear that this robot vacuum punches well above its price class. This is a true two-in-one robotic cleaner that combines strong vacuuming with intelligent mopping, making it an excellent choice for modern homes with mixed flooring, pets, and busy schedules. One of the most impressive aspects of this robot vacuum is its extremely strong suction power. With up to 6,500 pascals of maximum suction, it easily handles fine dust, crumbs, pet hair, and embedded debris from carpets and rugs. On hard floors like tile, laminate, or hardwood, the suction feels instant and thorough, pulling dirt out from corners and along edges where dust usually builds up. For pet owners, this level of suction is a major advantage, as fur and dander are quickly captured before they spread throughout the home. What truly elevates this device is the combination of vacuuming and mopping in one compact unit. The large 300 milliliters dust bin allows it to collect a substantial amount of debris in a single cleaning cycle, while the 200 milliliters water tank delivers consistent and controlled moisture for mopping hard floors. The water distribution is even and gentle, which means floors are cleaned without being soaked, making it safe for wood and delicate surfaces. Through the app or remote, you can adjust the water flow to match light maintenance cleaning or more thorough mopping sessions, giving you full control depending on the condition of your floors. Smart control is another area where this robot vacuum truly shines. It supports app control via the Tuya Smart app, voice commands through Google Assistant, and traditional remote control operation. Using the app, you can schedule cleanings, switch between vacuum and mop modes, adjust suction levels, and select cleaning patterns, all from your phone. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with simple spoken commands. It's worth noting that the system works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is standard for smart home devices and ensures stable connectivity. Battery life is a standout feature on this model. The built-in 2,600 mAh battery delivers up to an impressive 200 minutes of runtime in energy-saving mode, which is more than enough to clean large apartments or multi-room homes in one go. Even in higher suction modes, the runtime remains strong, ensuring deep cleaning without constant recharging. When the battery drops below 15% or the cleaning cycle is complete, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock, recharging itself without any user intervention. This kind of autonomy makes it ideal for daily scheduled cleaning while you're at work or asleep. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are handled intelligently thanks to a full suite of infrared sensors combined with a gyroscope and inertial navigation system. The robot detects walls, furniture, stairs, and drop-offs accurately, preventing collisions and falls. Its slim 2.9-inch profile allows it to glide easily under sofas, beds, cabinets, and other low furniture where dust often accumulates unnoticed. With the ability to climb slopes up to 15 degrees, it transitions smoothly between hard floors and carpets, ensuring continuous cleaning across different surfaces. The multiple cleaning modes add flexibility for different situations. Zigzag cleaning provides efficient full-room coverage, spot cleaning targets heavily soiled areas, and edge cleaning focuses on walls and corners. These modes can be switched easily through the app or remote, making the vacuum accessible even for parents or seniors who prefer simple operation. Suction levels are adjustable as well, allowing quieter cleaning at night or maximum power during deep clean sessions. Another thoughtful detail is the triple-layer filtration system inside the dust bin. This system captures fine dust particles and allergens effectively, helping maintain cleaner air in your home. Dual side brushes work together with the rotating main brush to pull debris from edges and corners directly into the suction path, ensuring nothing is left behind. This design is particularly effective in homes with pets or children where dirt tends to spread quickly. In daily use, the XIEBro robot vacuum feels reliable, quiet for its power level, and very low maintenance. Setup is straightforward. Cleaning schedules are easy to manage, and maintenance tasks like emptying the dustbin or refilling the water tank take only a few moments. The included accessories, such as extra side brushes and a remote control with batteries, add extra value right out of the box. Overall, the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo delivers a powerful blend of suction strength, smart features, long battery life, and intelligent navigation in a slim, modern design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to automate floor cleaning without sacrificing performance. Whether you live in a pet-friendly home, a busy household, or simply want cleaner floors with less effort, this robot vacuum offers a dependable, hands-free solution that fits seamlessly into everyday life.